Here's how you can delete used words on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so that way you're not gonna miss anything important. Okay, so the used words, what you probably mean by that is either the abbreviations or the like predictive text, but it can all be like managed inside of the settings by going to the general section where you get to manage all of the different things, right? So you can find it right away. And by going down a little bit more, you can find the keyboard. And within that keyboard, you'll be able to see the text replacements. So that is something that you probably are interested in, which are like the used words. So for example, I can type in a shortcut, just 3 letters, and it just turns it into a regular phrase, which I set it up, right? I can click on add, right? So, but the point is that if you want to stop using that, you can just swipe left on the shortcut and turn it off, like delete it, or click on edit and delete multiple of them if you wanted to. So that is something which you can do. On the other hand, you can also open up your general section of the settings again, and at the bottom you have the transfer or reset iPhone, which lets you click on reset and then go to the reset keyboard dictionary. So that is something which you might be interested in, as well as it should also like reset the words which are being suggested to you, and that's something that you might like. So yeah, you could perhaps explore that. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.